touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another face mask. I haven't done a face mask in a while, so today I'll be showing you guys the honey and baking soda DIY. So the ingredients you're going to need are some honey, of course, some baking soda, a tablespoon to measure the ingredients, and a container to mix it in. So we're gonna start by washing our face. I'm gonna go wash my face now with some African black soap, and then I will come back to you guys. So now that we're finished washing our face, we're going to mix our ingredients together, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the baking soda and 2 tablespoons of the honey. Now that we've added our ingredients, we're going to mix them together. And this is what it looks like. Now the baking soda is gonna exfoliate your skin and remove any blackheads and dead cells. And the honey cleanses your pores, reduces breakouts and redness, and it also is very nourishing for the skin. Guys, this face mask is so messy. Like, I have honey and baking soda all over my shirt. And I'm sure you guys saw it dripping off my chin earlier. So just be careful when you're doing this mask. And we're going to be leaving this on for between 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go watch an episode of Law and Order SVU until that time is up. And I forgot to tell you guys, I found this honey mask on Pinterest and found a few that I'm gonna try. So you guys can just comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to film them or if I can just try them off camera. But I think I've covered all my face. So I'm gonna go wash my hands now, let this do its thing and nourish and moisturize and exfoliate, and then I'll come back and tell you guys how my skin feels, and we'll see how it looks, if it looks any different. Guys, if you're ever gonna try this mask, make sure you don't put it close to your mouth, because some of this just slipped in my mouth and it does not taste good. It does not taste good. It's not tasty. So as you guys can see, I just washed off the mask and dried my face. My face is smooth, but it feels a bit dry. So I'm gonna apply some shea butter, and that should moisturize it. And that's a lot better. And that's it. My skin is nice and soft and smooth. And I think I'm gonna use that mask again. And try to keep my mouth closed next time. But that concludes this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to see some more icky face masks. I will see you guys in my next video.
I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need